Hi, folks. Today we're going to be doing a quick demo of the import leads agent for Marketo that Adobe announced at Summit a few weeks ago. So let me go ahead and share my screen and we can get started. So here we are on the usual My Marketo page that folks are used to seeing, but now we have this new Build with AI tile available to us. I am in a Champion Sandbox instance, and this will be rolling out to folks over the next few months. So we're going to click into Build with AI, and here you can see the new AI-powered marketing operations page. You can either chat here to get started, but what I'm going to do is scroll down here to the Import Leads agent to get started there. So when I click in, I'm taken to this new page where um, it's basically pre-populated a prompt and send it through, so that way the AI agent can provide me some initial information about how to get started. And then here, there's some more information about other AI assistants that I might be able to call. So what I'm going to do is I have prepped a list of some messy records with first name, last name, company email, title, and phone. You'll see the phone numbers have a variety of formatting. The first names have a bunch of variety of formatting. The companies are sort of messed up. Emails are a little messed up. Same thing here on title. So we're going to throw this in and see what happens. So I'm going to click on the paperclip icon, click on my CSV, and then I'm going to send it. So let's give this a few minutes to do its thing. All right. So you can see over here that it is previewing all the records. You can see here on the mappings tab that it is mapping my source columns to the target field, which if we do that a little bit, you can see here that it has correctly identified all the fields. And it also tells you the confidence rate. So if I were to have like maybe company name here or something else that's a little less obvious, it would tell you the company, it would give you the confidence rate for the match there. Okay. So let's see. Now it is prompting me to run some data quality rules. So in this instance that I'm in, I have some data quality rules pre-configured. In when this rolls out to individual instances, you'll be able to configure your own data quality rules. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select normalize email lowercase it, normalize phone, remove duplicates, and let's see. I think that's it. And then it's also telling me why some of these rules are important, which I think is a very helpful suggestion, especially for folks who are less data savvy. You can definitely help them keep them on track. So I've got some rules that I want to run. I'm going to hit send. And again, these rules can be thoroughly customized per instance and you can add new rules. These are just the rules that I have available to me in this test instance. So right now it is going ahead and it is applying the rules that I have selected. And now you can see here in the history, it'll give you the log of of the work that it has done, right? So you can see here that it has lowercase the email, it has updated all the phone numbers, and it has removed the one duplicate row. So when I go back to preview here now, you can see that let's see. All the phone numbers have been fixed and the duplicate has been removed. There were 13 records earlier and now there's 12. And all the emails have been lowercased. Now, let's see. There's also a title case names rule here. So I'm going to run that one because I can see here that there's some some funky title case situations going on. Good. So it fixed Norville Rogers. Now, at this point in time, I don't have a rule available to me to fix the title. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to leave those alone. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with the data that I have here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the Import to Marketo tab. Right now in this test instance, I'm only able to import into static lists. Obviously, in the future, you're going to be able to import into static lists or into programs as well. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and type in my Alicia Scooby list. Oh, because I was doing some testing earlier. And then I'm just going to click on this PII consent and I'm going to hit approve and import into Marketo. So at that point, it is submitting the import. You can see that it is doing a little bit of thinking here and then the verification. Now it gave me 3 warnings. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, so these were all invalid email addresses. So you can see here there was a double at, there was the HBO.com was missing the .com, and there was missing a .com here as well. So for now, what I can do is just re-edit these records and rerun them through the import. But what I'm going to do is let's hop over here. Ooh, and let's find my records. So Alicia Scooby list 2. So you can see my 12 records made it into here. So very, very handy. And I think especially as you start to build out all of your own rules, you'll have a lot more functionality available to you, especially as you really start to customize this for your own instance. So let us know what other demos you want to see of the new AI agents that Adobe is starting to roll out for Marketo. Bye.